Wide-size tree stand replacement fits most two-man ladder stands lock-ons. Made in the USA. 2 48-inch quick-release straps to secure to the seat. Durable and waterproof Softek foam. Our Elevate series is made with specialized comforted fabric, capable of enduring seasons of hunting duty while improving the enjoyment of every hunt. Designed as a replacement cushion for two-man tree stands lock-ons. The Elevate series features Softek closed-cell foam and silent touch fabric facing, which help hunters move and sit quietly while staying comfortable. Top reviews from the United States. Great cushion and 3 thick. This cushion has worked great for me this season. The cloth cover does soak up water, so you'll need a folding seat or cover it with your poncho on those rainy days, but it makes up for it with comfort. The pad doesn't soak up water, just the cover, so you have to bring something to sit on after it's been raining. This is a very thick pad, your butt will thank you for it. I will probably order a few more for my other stands, better than the originals that came on mine by far. I no longer carry extra cushion clipped to my backpack. Added a lumbar support as well that straps around the tree, greatly improves your deer stand experience.